In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Instagram and Facebook, perfect for beginners looking to expand their business reach through social media. This integration can help you streamline your sales process and increase your product visibility across two of the largest social media platforms. Let's dive right in and get started. First, navigate to the left-hand panel within your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you'll find the Apps option. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll want to use the search bar to look for Facebook and Instagram. This is the app that will facilitate the connection between your Shopify store and these social media platforms. After entering your search, you should see the app appear in the results list. Click on it to proceed to its dedicated app page. Once on the app page, you'll see an option to install the app. Click on the Install button, and Shopify will then prompt you to confirm this installation. This process is straightforward and only takes a few moments, but it's crucial for making sure that Facebook and Instagram can communicate effectively with your Shopify store. After confirming the installation, the app will automatically open on your Shopify dashboard. This is where you will need to log in using your Facebook account. It's important to note that the Facebook account you use should be the one linked to your business's Facebook page, as this will allow you to manage the products and services you wish to showcase on Instagram and Facebook directly from your Shopify store. By logging in, you're synchronizing your Shopify store with your business's Facebook and Instagram accounts. This setup is designed to help streamline your online sales process, making managing your products, promotions, and customer interactions more efficient. With this integration, you can automatically sync your product catalog and start tagging products in your social media posts, which can significantly enhance your reach and engagement with your target audience. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to connect Shopify with Instagram and Facebook. With this integration successfully set up, you'll be well on your way to leveraging these powerful marketing platforms to grow your brand and enhance your online sales strategy. Don't forget to explore additional settings and features available within the app to fully utilize this new capability. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you optimize your online store and social media presence.